Hola, my name is Marcus from Marcus Language Academy. And today we will learn 15 new sentences in Spanish, and today we will learn something more about to say the time in Spanish. And like always, we will do this in 3 easy steps. In step number 1, I will show you the 15 sentences with his translation. In step number 2, you will shadow me. So you will try to speak with me the 15 sentences in Spanish. And in our last step, we will study everything actively using Quizlet. Okay, so now let's learn 15 sentences to talk about the time in Spanish. And now we start with our first sets that I show you the 15 sentences of today. Let's go. ¿Qué hora es? What time is it? ¿Qué hora es? Son las 7 horas. It's 7 o'clock. Son las 7 horas. ¿A qué hora te levantas? What time do you get up? ¿A qué hora te levantas? Me levanto a las 7:05. I get up at 7:05. Me levanto a las 7:05. ¿Cuándo desayunas? When do you have breakfast? ¿Cuándo desayunas? Desayuno a las 7:15. I have breakfast at 7:15. Oh yes, and please remember that I have here on YouTube a free Spanish course for beginners. You can learn from scratch up to level A2. And like always, this course, here's the playlist, is completely free here on YouTube, and you will find the link over here in the corner and in the description of the video. Okay. Check this out. So let's go back now to our 15 sentences of today. Voy a trabajar a las 8:20. I go to work at 8:20. Voy a trabajar a las 8:20. Cojo el autobús a las 8:25. I take the bus at 8:25. Cojo el autobús a las 8:25. Llego a las 8:30. I arrive at 8:30. Llego a las 8:30. Hago una pausa a las 11:25. I take a break at 11:25. Hago una pausa a las 11:25. Almuerzo a la 1:20. I have lunch at 1:50. Almuerzo a la 1:20. Termino de trabajar a las 5:15. I finish work at 4:45. Termino de trabajar a las 5:15. Llego a casa a las 6:05. I get home at 5:45. Llego a casa a las 6:05. Me acuesto a las 10. I go to bed at 10. Me acuesto a las 10. Ese es mi día y la hora. That's my day and the time. Ese es mi día y la hora. Okay, now we get to our second step. Now we have my shadowing technique. I will read loudly each sentence 3 times. The first time you just listen what I'm saying. The second time you try to speak with me together. So I say the sentence and you say the sentence together with me. The third time I will say the sentence, but I will mute my audio, but my lips are still moving, and so you try to shadow my lips, okay? And you say the sentence by yourself. And this we will do for all 15 sentences. So let's do this now. ¿Qué hora es? ¿Qué hora es? Son las 7 horas. Son las 7 horas. ¿A qué hora te levantas? ¿A qué hora te levantas? Me levanto a las 7:05. Me levanto a las 7:05. ¿Cuándo desayunas? ¿Cuándo desayunas? Desayuno a las 7:15. Desayuno a las 7:15. Voy a trabajar a las 8:20. Voy a trabajar a las 8:20. Cojo el autobús a las 8:25. Cojo el autobús a las 8:25. Llego a las 8:30. Llego a las 8:30. Hago una pausa a las 11:25. Hago una pausa a las 11:25. Almuerzo a la 1:20. Almuerzo a la 1:20. Termino de trabajar a las 5:15. Termino de trabajar a las 5:15. Llego a casa a las 6:05. Llego a casa a las 6:05. Me acuesto a las 10. Me acuesto a las 10. Ese es mi día y la hora. Ese es mi día y la hora. So I hope the shadowing technique worked fine for you. Please remember, you can repeat each step of this video if you like, no? So this way you are sure that you master all the 15 sentences. But now let's see our last step, step number 3. Now you practice everything actively using Quizlet. Therefore we will jump to Quizlet. And here we are on Quizlet, and I created a learning set, no, the time in Spanish. In Quizlet you have a variety of options to study the content. We will choose the flashcard mode. So we click here. And in our options over here, we make sure that we track our progress, that the front will be English so that we could answer with Spanish. And if you need to, you can activate the audio. In our case, we don't need it because I will read all the sentences. So here's the first sentence in English, okay? And I will give you all time 2 or 3 seconds. And if you need to, you can pause the video to get a little bit more thinking time to see if you know the sentence in Spanish. Okay, so let's do this now together. What time is it? ¿Qué hora es? And because we track the progress, we can decide if we know it or if we don't, if we know it or if we don't know it. In our case here in the video, I will mark everything as known. It's 7 o'clock. Son las 7 horas. What time do you get up? ¿A qué hora te levantas? I get up at 7:05. Me levanto a las 7:05. When do you have breakfast? ¿Cuándo desayunas? I have breakfast at 7:15. Desayuno a las 7:15. I go to work at 8:20. Voy a trabajar a las 8:20. I take the bus at 8:25. Cojo el autobús a las 8:25. I arrive at 8:30. Llego a las 8:30. I take a break at 25 to 11. Hago una pausa a las 11 menos 25. I have lunch at 20 to 1. Almuerzo a la 1 menos 20. I finish work at 4:45. Termino de trabajar a las 5 menos cuarto. I get home at 5 to 6. Llego a casa a las 6 menos 5. I go to bed at 10. Me acuesto a las 10. That's my day and the time. Ese es mi día y la hora. Yeah, really good. So, like you see, everything ended up in our no box, no? If you practice by yourself, okay, maybe some words are still in the learning box, and so you can repeat those with Quizlet. It's quite easy. It's a nice program. Yeah, these are the 15 sentences of today. I hope you learned a lot. And like a little present, remember that you can find over here on the description this learning set on Quizlet. Okay, so you can practice by yourself. Please don't forget that I have also a Spanish course for beginners here on YouTube, so you can find the link over here in the description as well. And yeah, please like the video, and please let me know also in the video comments where do you struggle with the time in Spanish, and maybe you can give me some ideas for another video to make 15 Spanish sentences. And also please subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss our next video. Yeah, that's everything for today. I thank you very much. So muchas gracias y hasta pronto.